Hello. So, one of the most common problems that I run into on Linux is not being able to install the software that you'd like to because it's not in the repositories for the distribution you're using. So today we're going to look at a few different ways that you can get around this problem. While there are a few different cross-distribution package solutions that have been in development, such as Flatpak, Snaps, and Appimages, today I want to focus on how you can set up applications that aren't available in these formats, such as archive and .deb packages. One quick caveat is that this won't necessarily work with all programs because some programs have dependencies that they need to function properly, but this has worked on the majority of programs that I've tried it on, so it's worth a shot. So for this example, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Yandex browser. I have it set up right now inside of an apps folder in my home directory that I created, and I'm going to right click on it and click extract here. Inside of that folder, you're going to find a data file, at least on Debian files, and I'm going to pull it out, delete this folder, and extract the data file. And inside there, you're going to find the binaries, you're going to find the icon files, and anything else that the program needs. Once that's done extracting, you can delete that, rename it to Yandex browser or whatever your program is called. And then inside of there somewhere, and I happen to know that in this case it's opt Yandex browser beta, right here is the shell script that we're going to want to run. And then here's any icons that you may need. So now to get our newly installed program into our main menu, we're going to use a program like menu editor, go to the proper category, add a launcher, we're going to name it, and we're going to set the command to be the shell script that we found right in here. Now for this icon pack I'm using, I happen to know that there's a nice icon set up for it, so I don't have to use the default one, and it can match and work nicely. So now if I save it, you can see that it shows up right here. However, if we open it, it doesn't keep the icon that we set, and it doesn't let us set a favorite. So to fix this problem, what we're going to do is use something called xprop. And in the terminal, we need to install xprop first, and then you can run xprop wm class. And when you click on the program, it tells you that the class for this window is Yandex browser beta. We can just use this first one, copy it, go back to menu library, and under advanced, there's this option called startup window manager class. So paste that in there, save it. Let's close Yandex. Now if you reopen Yandex browser, you can see it uses the icon, and we can add it to the favorites. All is good, and it works just like a first-class application should. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful.